Hello, I wanted to show you a tool that you may find useful. That would apply if you have an Android application that has a lot of colors and you want to streamline the set of colors you have. So for example here, this is the app, and we can see we have a bunch of colors here. Some are referencing each other, some have a transparency channel, some are only with three letters RGB. And let's say now we define that this is the new set of colors we want. And so what the program is doing is it's going to scan all your colors, determines which one are very close to your new official ones, and if they are very close, then it's going to replace the reference in your file. So let's to determine the distance between the two colors, I had originally made my own algorithm based on RGB channels, but I later found that there is a much better one already done, which is called this CD2000, and basically it takes into account the fact that humans are pretty good to determine differences of colors if they are kind of green or red, and so we are not for example, for pink, we are not very good for determining if colors are different, but for green we are very good. And so this algorithm kind of takes care of that. So if I run it, the first parameter is the main color file, and the second one is the target official colors that you want. And the last parameter is a tolerance value. I recommend to use something around 20, not too much above. 100 would be colors completely opposite, like black and white. But once you start getting over 20, you really notice that they are not the same. But you can play around. So if I run this, it's gonna go over all my colors and compare them. You can see for every colors, it finds a close target in your palette, and there is a distance value. So if the distance value is smaller, then it's going to replace it by your official color here. I've put the colors with transparent channels, kind of with a warning. It still can replace them, but you want to double check what's going on with transparent colors, because it's a bit more tricky. And so in this case, we moved for about 50 colors to only 14 extra, and that's a 71% gain. So if you look at your file now, the references are completely updated, and I have a screenshot of the before and after with this tolerance value of 20. So yeah, this is how it looks like. You can see that it detected all those colors as kind of green. The blue is working well as well. Yeah, so I hope you find it useful. If you want to play around with this, it's on GitHub. I will put the link in the description, and you have some explanation on how to use it. Alright, thanks for watching.